But we're going to begin today with a surprise development. This is a big surprise in the Ahmaud Arbery trial. The defense called Travis McMichael to the stand as its first witness. Now, he is the man who shot Ahmaud Arbery to death back in February of 2020. McMichael is on trial, as you know, along with his father, Greg McMichael, and their neighbor, William Roddy Bryan. The three men chased Arbery down while he was in the neighborhood for a jog. They claim they were trying to make a citizen's arrest. Omar Villafranca is in Brunswick, Georgia, where the trial is taking place. Omar, good morning. A lot of people wanted to hear what Travis McMichael had to say.
Good morning, and it was surprising to see him on the stand until yesterday. The only time we'd really seen him or heard from him was in 911 calls or on police body cam video. But yesterday, he decided to decline to invoke his Fifth Amendment right and tell his side of the story.
Just raise your right hand. Swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
The first witness for the defense was one of the defendants. Travis McMichael testified that his father told him to grab his gun before chasing Ahmaud Arbery through the neighborhood in what they claim was an effort to make a citizen's arrest under a now repealed Georgia law.
Did you want to stop him and hold him so the police could come and arrest him? That was my plan, yes, sir.
McMichael said he and his father believed Arbery was a burglar after Arbery had been seen at the construction site of an unfinished home. Cell phone video shows McMichael confronting the unarmed Arbery after a prolonged chase.
This is a life or death situation, and I'm going to have to stop him from doing this, so I shot.
Prosecutors argue there's no evidence justifying the chase or the deadly encounter, and that there was never an attempt to make a citizen's arrest. The homeowner, Larry English, said Arbery never stole anything and that he never asked the McMichaels to take action. Last week, the prosecution also called a county police detective who read a portion of his interview with Greg McMichael hours after the shooting.
He was trapped like a rat. I think he was wanting to flee, and he realized that something, he was not going to get away.
Prosecutors pushed McMichael after he testified about the law enforcement training he received in the Coast Guard.
So you learned as part of your time in the military that you can't force people to speak with you.
That's correct.
You have to let them walk away.
Yes.
Arbery's mother, Wanda Cooper Jones, spoke outside the courthouse.
Travis was on the stand, wiping tears from his eyes. But again, Travis is alive. Can you imagine the tears that we have shared?
The prosecution will continue their cross-examination of McMichael today. The judge is also expected to rule on whether he'll allow evidence that alleges that McMichael used a racial slur right after shooting Arbery. And it's worth noting, Nate, 12 jurors here on this trial, only one is black in a county that is more than 25% African American.
Omar, thank you so much.